Hi guys,
Mom.
and this is my Arella. For today's video, I have a question for Arella so you can check how smart she is. Maganda yung question ko. What do you think if your toys could talk? Halimbawa yung she has a lot of dolls eh. Halimbawa yung mga baby alive toys mo could talk.
Naging mommy ako.
Wala naman ako sinabing baby mo sila, basta playmates mo lang sila. And then for example, you have yata mga 6 dolls eh. What do you
Five.
think if they could talk? What they will do? And what you gonna do?
Play with me.
You want to play them with you will play with them. So who is your favorite doll of all? Since lahat ng dolls mo, sino yung favorite mo sa kanila?
Encanto.
Si Encanto. What's her name?
Isabella.
Si Isabella. Bakit mo favorite si Isabella?
Maganda siya.
Lahat naman ng dolls mo maganda eh.
Yan lang.
So, sige, favorite mo si Isabella. So, what do you think Isabella could tell you? Yeah, syempre, she can talk.
You want to eat?
Huh?
You
What
want
do you
to
think Isabella could tell you?
eat? You want to get flowers?
Huh?
What flowers?
She will ask you if you want flowers. Or what will you answer back?
Yes.
And then, what you gonna do?
We're gonna buy ties.
Sit
We're
down.
gonna buy ties.
Ties? Anong ties?
Toys.
You and ang pangalan niya?
Isabella.
Isabella will go to the mall and
Mirabella.
buy toys. Mirabella will go to the mall and buy toys.
Yes.
Siya ba yung gusto mo makabanding? Don't keep on moving. Don't keep on moving.
Yes.
How about your animal toys if
Ayoko.
they get alive?
Ayoko.
Like those bears, monkeys.
Wag. Kakahirap alaga yun.
Mahirap na naman alagaan ng animals because they cannot understand properly.
Amo na!
Yung alaga kasi namin tulog eh, kaya wag tayong maingay, baka magising. Okay, so yun lang, gusto mo yung mga toy dolls mo, no? If they get alive. Okay. Okay, that's interesting. Mirabella and Arella will bond. They will go to the mall and buy more toys. Mukha kang toys. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Till our next video. Bye.
Bye.